how can I get a job working from home? Have you ever wondered, how can I actually get a job working from home? The truth is, you don't need a degree, years of experience, or even a fancy resume to start. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to land your first remote job from scratch. Let's get into it. The first step is deciding what kind of remote job fits you. If you're a beginner, start with roles like data entry, customer support, virtual assistant, social media management, or content writing. These are entry-level, and companies hire beginners all the time. Next, you need to know where to look. For freelance gigs, try platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. For proper remote jobs, check WeWork Remotely, Remote OK, FlexJobs, and even LinkedIn job postings. Thousands of remote opportunities are listed daily. Now, here's where most beginners go wrong. They apply with nothing to show. Even without experience, you can create sample work. Use Canva to design a social media post, create a Google Doc with a blog article, or set up a mock spreadsheet for admin work. Share it on LinkedIn or Google Drive so employers instantly see your skills. Finally, apply daily. Don't stop at 3 to 4 applications. Treat job hunting like a job itself. The key is consistency. Your first yes might come after 20 applications or 200, but once you get that first client or job, the rest becomes much easier. So if you want to land your first work-from-home job, start small, build a simple portfolio, and apply daily on the right platforms. Your first remote job could be just one click away. Check the link in bio for free resources to kickstart your remote career today. And don't forget to subscribe for more remote job tips.